just kind of want to walk through this room on the Harry Potter studio tour. We've got the divination classroom with the really cool how they set up all the tea. I'm like, that must have taken forever to put together. We've got over on this side, we've got the Riddle Grave, which was used in Goblet of Fire, Lord Voldemort's resurrection. And we got some really cool sets from the Ministry of Magic in here as well. So that's really, really awesome. Really intricate designs there from the Ministry with the offices. Also in Epic Universe, of course, and we've got the Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom. I think there's going to be a demonstration there in 5 minutes. I hope the kids stay for it. Oh, we got the Magicus Bite from when the Death Eaters took over the Ministry of Magic. That statue is there. Over here we've got the Dark Arts. You can see the Night Bus. They have some really cool effects in there as well. The door from the Chamber of Secrets. Some of these props.